Early morn at the UT Gardens, and the bees are buzzing, and the birds are scouting breakfast. There's beautiful plant life here, but animals are fond of this place too. But you don't necessarily need a spread like this to attract wildlife.
If you have a mixed garden with a lot of different levels, different heights of plants, different times of flowering and fruiting, then you attract a lot of wildlife. And what you'll do then is create good predator-prey relationships.
Carol Reese gave a talk about attracting wildlife to your landscape at UT AgResearch's recent summer celebration in Jackson. Reese says a healthy garden can bring gorgeous butterflies to your yard.
It is about the flowers, of course, because they do feed on the nectar, but a lot of people don't realize how important it is to include the host plants for the caterpillars. Because the caterpillars, of course, if you want butterflies, you've got to have caterpillars, and caterpillars have to eat. So you also have to sort of up your tolerance for chewed leaves.
Bees, wasps, and moths are also good for our yards and excellent in the pollination department. Then there's our feathered friends, the birds. Polly Rooker is a biologist with the Tennessee Wildlife Resources Agency. She talked to gardeners about bird houses, specifically to put them in accessible places or to allow birds to build their own nests near you.
I think everybody loves birds. They're part of the natural ecosystem. They're pretty, they sing, and I think they add a lot to your backyard and also to your life.
Animals are always looking for their next meal, so putting food out will attract certain species. However, know that Tennessee has a lot of diverse wildlife, and you could bring some things to your yard you'd really rather not see. Armadillos are invading Tennessee and known for digging up gardens looking for food. Also, if you attract rodents, you might get what likes to eat mice and rats, like this water snake.
Wildlife is in flux. It's sort of a dynamic citizenship.
UT's Dr. Allen Houston says there's a lot more good wildlife than bad, and the key to attracting and keeping animals around is food supply and habitat.
Wildlife populations are very habitat sensitive. And when you think about habitat, you have to think about how do you get where you're going to go, where are the groceries, where am I safe, where can I get everything that I need.
That place may very well be your garden or yard, pleasing to the eye and pleasing to the animal world at the same time. This is Chuck Denny reporting.